how to set Spotify song as caller tune. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set your favorite Spotify song as a caller tune. So if you want to surprise your friends or family with the perfect track when they call you, keep watching. Before we get started, it's important to know that setting a Spotify song as a caller tune depends on your mobile carrier. Major carriers like Jio, Airtel, and Vodafone have their own caller tune services. Make sure your carrier supports this feature. For example, Jio uses the JioTune service, Airtel has Wink Music, and Vodafone has Vodafone Play. You need to have the relevant app or service set up first. Next, let's head over to Spotify. Open the app and find the song you want to set as a caller tune. Simply let's choose one of the song. Now let's choose the first one. And now after you found what you want to use, open your carrier's app. If you're using Jio, simply open the JioTunes app. And if you this app allows you to set songs as your caller tune. If you haven't already, you may need to sign in or set up your account. Once you're logged in, look for the option to set as caller tune. Now here's the trick. Search for the song you found on Spotify within the carrier apps. Some apps like Wink Music might have even direct integration with Spotify, but if not, you'll be able to search for the song by title or artist. For example, if I picked a popular track from Spotify like Call Out My Name, you can simply search it in the app, and once you find it, simply tap on the song. And after finding the song, you should see an option that says set as caller tune or activate or something similar. Just tap on it, and it's that simple. Once you confirm, your chosen song will be set as a caller tune. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.